just a tad foggy this morning. Good morning. Today's day 57 of hiking the Appalachian Trail. I left Lambert's Meadow shelter a little bit ago, and the plan is to go about 9.5 miles into Daleville. Yeah, and then we'll resupply and laundry and shower, do all the things, and get back on trail tomorrow. So should hopefully be a pretty quick and easy hike into town, and then we'll have most of the afternoon to get stuff done. Here we go again, half a mile from town, and there's a downpour. At least we're close to town, that's all I can say. The rain's been holding off all morning and for the last like 3 or 4 days, so if it's gonna rain, might as well be now.
What luck!
I'm staying at the Super 8 here in Daleville, and I have a whole room to myself with a nice king-size bed, and I'm very excited. About to take a shower. Have to figure out resupply stuff. I think we have to walk back to Kroger. Yeah, hang my tent up since it was raining this morning and last night, get that drying. But yeah, excited for this big old bed all to myself. Well, I had another busy day in town today. We got to the hotel and couldn't quite check in yet, so we walked to get some food and had food at the Three Little Pigs barbecue. It was really good. I had a burger, of course, my favorite. And then Ziggy and I went to Goodwill that was right there so that we could get some like loaner clothes, so that we had something to wear while we did laundry at the hotel. since obviously hotels don't provide loaner clothes like hostels do. And then we did laundry and then walked back into town to the Kroger to resupply and go to the outfitter, and then saw some friends at the outfitter, and they had a friend in town, and so we got a ride back to the hotel, got all my resupply together, and tried to edit some videos and get those uploaded, and then ordered pizza for dinner and ate that like in the little lobby area with other hikers that are at the hotel. And yeah, busy afternoon. Yeah, now just getting in bed and gonna hopefully get some rest. Yeah. Hopefully get some rest because I'm pretty tired after all that today, but yeah, not a bad day. We didn't get rained on too much, just a little bit at the end, but yeah, thank you so much for watching day 57 of my Appalachian Trail through hike. Mighty fine hiking, everyone. Bye!